Chicken pasta primavera is a delicious and nutritious way of eating pasta because it has veggies too. And we added chicken on it. So that's what we're going to make today. Thank you for watching, Hungry Buddies. Let's cook. It's boiling, a little oil, and our pasta. And we'll wait until it gets al dente. While waiting for our pasta to get cooked or al dente, we have to cook our other ingredients. Oil, onions, garlic, salt, and pepper. Wait until this gets translucent. 2 tablespoons of flour. Those are chicken. Chicken thighs. Then salt and pepper again. Salt and pepper. And we'll wait until it gets brown and tender. Sauce. Just 1 tablespoon. Chicken is cooking away. We have to wait for it a little bit more to get tender. Chicken is tender now. We have to add our mushrooms and carrots and asparagus and stir. 1 cup of whole milk, half a cup of 4 ounces cream cheese, instead of the cream. That's what we use. The cream is cream cheese that would make it taste creamy. 4 tablespoons of butter. And time for our pasta. Chicken pasta primavera is ready. Here's our chicken pasta primavera. Enjoy. Thank you for watching, Hungry Buddies. See you next time. Bye.